today we are going to discuss about investment. So, what is the investment? So, if you know about the investment, in the everyone must know about in the current scenario about the investment. So, I think everybody invested in the current scenario of everyone life. So, now we are going to discuss about one by one. So what is the investment and what are the investment? So one of the author said, the author name is Warren Buffett. According to Warren Buffett, so the investment is nothing but price is what you pay, value is what you get. So it is nothing but when you are going to pay some initial investment like just 1 rupee or 2 rupees. So you, for example, if we are going to buy a new pen, so we should pay at the time of get pen. So that is the price is what you pay, then value is what you get. So after that we can get values from the pen. So that is the investment. So according to as per Warren Buffett. So one more definition. According to Warren Buffett, the investment is nothing but I made my first investment at age 11. So I was wasting my life up until then. So according to Warren Buffett. So now time codes, the investment about time codes, the rich investment in time, the poor invest in money. So most of the according to Warren Buffett. So he said most of the people invest in their time. Some of the peoples they invest in their money. So that is the according to Warren Buffett. So number of peoples investing with a start courage, because everybody must before invest we should have some courage, so then only we can get successful in the future. So for example, if you are invested from beginning, after you can get like trees. So it is investment in future. So nowadays, investment options for a salaried persons. Why they said investment options for a salaried person? Because salary peoples alone uh, invested in their amount in the particular any investment, like real estate or gold, stocks, whatever may be. So that's why they are mentioned investment options for only salaried persons. So invest in knowledge. Some of the peoples have invest in their knowledge, because knowledge is power. So wherever you go you can get an you have a knowledge, you can successful in your life, because knowledge is power. So everybody must know about return on investment. So before the every investors must awareness about the return on investment, because when we are going to invest we must know about return on investment. So some of the characteristics of investment, before that we must know about what are the characteristics of investment. So the first characteristics is return. So wherever we go, uh, we pay some amount or initial amount, it should be get back like a returns or rewards. So risk is also there, because if we are invested in the particular investment, there should be some risk. And also we must know about whether it is a safety. Before investing we must know about whether it is invested in their amount is whether safety or not. So liquidity also is one of the characteristics of investment. So meaning of investment. So investment is putting a money into something with the expectation that it will generate income or the value appreciate in future or profit. So some of the definitions of investment. So the first one, commitment of funds made in the expectation of some positive rate of return. The second one is investment is the employment of funds with the aim of achieving additional income or growth in the value. So third, expectation of return is an essential element of investment. So meaning of investment, it involves the commitment of resources which have been saved or put away from current consumption in the hope some benefits will occur in future. So investment involves long-term commitment of funds and waiting for reward in the future also. So one more meaning of investment in the area of financial. So in the area of financial, the investment is the commitment of a person's fund to derive future income in the form of interest, dividend, premium, pension, or appreciation in the value of their capital. So like for example, if you are working in a industry, so in that it is a investment is there, like in the form of pension or PF, provident fund, or ESI, so like interest, dividend, premium, or and also appreciation in the value of their capital. So in the area of economic, so it is nothing but net additions to the economic capital stock which consists of goods and services that are used in the production of other goods and services. Financial meaning of investment again, so the financial investment involves of funds in various assets such as like a stock, bond, real estate, mortgages, etc. So wherever we go, we must know about some characteristics of particular thing. So like a characteristic